How to add a number on your Facebook profile. So everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to add a number on your Facebook profile. Let's get started. First, you will have to open any web browser you have available and then log into facebook.com. Once you have logged in, just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from here tap on Settings and Privacy, then head over to your settings. Once your settings is open, on the left side of your screen you can see the Meta's Account Center. Just click on it. Now it will direct you to the Account Center where you can see all of your profile details. Now under Account Settings you want to go to Personal Details, and you will see your contact info right here. Right now I only have my Gmail, so in order to add a new contact, just click right here and choose the mobile number. You can even add another email address if you want, so I'm just going to choose mobile number for now. And after this, you will just have to enter your mobile number. Just choose your country and then enter the mobile number. Once you have entered your number, just tap on Next by choosing these two boxes, and once you do that, your number should be added to your account. First, you will have to enter a verification code that is sent to your number. I have my code with me, so I'm just going to enter my code, and once you enter it, you just tap on Next, and it will verify your number as a valid number, and then you should be able to add it to your account. So as you can see, I've added the number to my account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.